Now, ISA President Keith Wellington says more sanctions could be coming as the fallout from the suspensions of Innswood and Kellits high schools from the schoolboy football competitions continue. Both Innswood and Kellits were kicked out of this season's competitions and banned for next season's editions for using ineligible players. It's understood that investigations revealed that the players in question were not registered nor eligible to play but presented fraudulent identification cards to participate. Wellington, who was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Monday, said they had to take swift action based on the nature of the offence. But he says other individuals may be held accountable.
One hearing, one discussion, one interview scheduled for tomorrow. We'll see what happens after that. But it is being dealt with some level of expediency. So I would suspect that before the end of the week, we should be able to come to some level of conclusivity as to where this matter is.
TVJ Sports understands that in one instance, a player who was used was not even a student at the institution, despite being able to produce what seemed to be a valid ISA-issued ID card. Sociologist and host of Radio Jamaica's Hotline program, Dr. Orville Taylor, who was also speaking on this afternoon's edition of Sports Grill, said the offences sound more severe than a mere school matter.
Was the coach aware that this individual was not a student? Did the principal know that the student was not? I mean, the high school that I went to, the principal knew everybody, pretty much everyone who was on the sports team. And I don't know. So was this fellow an individual who maybe was passing himself off as being on another ship or something? So what I don't know, first and foremost, I think that's a criminal thing in the United States. That's identity theft or something of the sort. I think that's a police matter, straight up.